What is up, you guys? Hello and welcome, or hopefully welcome back to the channel. My name is Jordan Moyer, and my channel here is all about teaching you how to get in the best shape of your life while still enjoying all the foods that you like, right? So if you want to be shredded, if you want to be jacked, if you want to put on muscle, if you want to lose body fat, right? But still enjoy foods like pizza, burgers, donuts, anything like that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. There's a bunch of recipes on there already, plus a bunch of full workouts. And we're going to be dropping more stuff all year. I'm dropping multiple videos every single week. So join the crowd, join the family. It's growing really quick. I'm looking forward to creating a huge community of people that are just in the best shape of their lives with no food restrictions. I absolutely hate food restrictions, restrictive diets. I have spent tons of time suffering through them, and I'm creating this channel to help everyone, not have to go through that. So if you want to eat pizza, donuts, burgers, and still get shredded, this is the channel for you. Okay, we're gonna get into it really quickly here. Today's recipe is gonna be a high protein pizza, so it's gonna be ideal for you if you want to, pack on muscle. If you're a skinny guy that has a hard time eating, stuff like this will be really, really good for you. It's definitely helped me. You know what I mean? Eating 4,000 calories every single day can definitely get tough. That's why I like to have some good and easy to eat things here. So it's really simple. Here's the total calories and macros for it right here. It's just got 4 ingredients. There's flatbreads, there's barbecue sauce, there's cheese, and there's chicken. You bake it at 425 for about 11 minutes or until the cheese is nice and bubbly. And if you're looking for lower calorie options, obviously just make one, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys how to make it here real quick. Then I'm going to throw it in the oven. And there you have it. Super high protein pizza, moderate amount of calories, less than 1,300 for both, right? So again, if you're looking for lower calories, just eat one, make one. Okay, and you guys know I gotta hit you with the taste test. So just to take a look at it again, here it is. Super nice, crispy, it's warm. It's pizza, obviously it tastes good. So good, amazing macros, best way to diet, right? If you can think of a better way to diet, I mean, let me know, but right? And let me know in the comments if you enjoy videos like this. Also, drop down your favorite, recipe, and I'll try to create something for that, or sorry, favorite like food item or whatever. There's more videos on the channel. There's going to be a couple popping up here, so make sure you click them, watch them, and looking forward to seeing you guys in the next one.